In Amsterdam, Holland, there was a devotee by the name Bhakta Andre. So he was an unusual person because he was very bold. When other people held back, Andre didn't. So Bhakta Andre, he would enter anywhere, talk to anybody, fearless. So he went to the director of the biggest chain store and directly told him, in your book department, you do not have any books of A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. That's not correct. You should have them. And then director said, I don't know who you are and what you are talking. But one thing I know, you are bold. No one has ever walked into my office like that. I like that. I'll take them. And he took all the books, a full set of Prabhupada books on the shelf of, for the chain store. So he was bold. After some time, he was discovered with some incurable disease. And he had just a few days to live. He had some terminal issue. Suddenly it was discovered. So when devotees went to him, he was very ill and he was coughing. He was on his suddenly last. Doctor said not much time left. He was coughing so much of mucus. In a special clinic he was. So after devotees went and he told them, can you people sing at my funeral, please? They said, sure, we can, we will. So after that, next few days, he passed away. And they got the information and they went to the funeral. So that's how they do it. It's an amphitheater. On the stage, there is a box. And in the box, the body is there, Andre. So devotees were asked to start the kirtan. But before they did kirtan, someone had a letter which Andre had said, read my letter first. So letter goes like this. Dear relatives and friends, so you're all my friends. You all think that I'm dead. But you are wrong. I am still alive. I am still around. All of you are my friends and relatives, and all of you are very different. Since you have all come from very different backgrounds, from different places, but for today, for my sake, I want you all to appreciate each other. Now in a few moments, some of my Hare Krishna friends will come forward and will sing the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. I want all of you to sing along, and not a little but from the heart. Afterwards, there will be a feast served in my honor at the temple, and you are all invited. So that letter was read. And then these devotees started singing. And everybody, his relatives and friends, they all got into it. So the kirtan ended, it went on, people were like wild, and it was like, people were dancing, they lost themselves after it stopped. Then the Govindam prayers, Govindam Adi Purusham Tamham Bhajami, that prayers was played on the tape. The Beatles, they composed this composition sung by Jamuna Devi Dasi. And then that stage opened and the box sunk into the stage. So the people just lost it. They cracked. They like falling each other's arms. They were crying. They never heard a funeral like that. Bhakta Andre, while living, he preached. And Bhakta Andre, when he was dead, he was preaching. So if you want to do something in life, it does not matter whether you have money or not. It does not matter whether you are educated or not. It even does not matter whether you are dead or alive. If you want to do something, you can do it. So Bhakta Andre preached while he was alive. He changed lives when he was alive, and he changed lives when he was dead. So So people do wrong things when they are alive and wrong things when they are dead. Just like there was a terrorist. Naturally, he shot many people. And when they killed him and they're removing the body was booby-trapped and exploded. He killed when he was alive, he killed when he was dead. So same way, Bhakti, Krishna Bhakti you can do when you are alive, when you are dead. Radha Krishna Pran Mora Jugala Kishora Jivane Marane Gati Ar Nahi Mora. Service to Krishna is beyond time and space. So we should have the same zeal, same eagerness to spread this message like this Bhakta Andre had. He wanted to spread, make people happy by preaching Krishna consciousness, whether he is dead or alive. Hare Krishna.